In this video, I'm gonna be talking about how to record acoustic guitar with phone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Regarding your acoustic guitar, recording it with a phone can yield surprisingly good results, especially for casual recordings or capturing song ideas. So the main thing that you have to be aware of is the space and the environment where you are doing this. You need to optimize your environment as best as you can. Find the quietest room possible. Minimize background noise from appliances, traffic, or other people. Rooms with soft furnishing like couches, curtains, rugs tend to absorb sound and reduce echo. This leads to better recording. And of course, optionally, you could do some acoustic treatment. This is going to depend on how serious you want this recording to be, but doing acoustic treatment can improve the quality. So you can do basic stuff like hanging blankets or using foam panels to dampen reflections. The microphone location is very important. Experiment with your phone's microphone placement. Most phones have microphones on the top or the bottom, and you should avoid placing the phone directly in front of the guitar's sound hole. This can result in boomy, distorted bass. Try positioning the phone slightly off axis, and you will be able to get a good recording. Start with the phone about 6 to 12 inches away from the guitar. So with this distance, you will be able to optimize the recording. 6 to 12 inches away. Once you find a sweet spot, use a phone stand or tripod to keep the phone steady and prevent unwanted noise. Next, you need to use some sort of application. The one that I recommend for most people is GarageBand. It is intuitive to use and you will be able to tune your recording to get the best, crispiest sound available. So all that you have to do is open any sort of application like GarageBand. There are other alternatives like FL Studio Mobile, but for this video I chose this one. Go into the audio recorder, and you will be able to select instrument. It should automatically detect that you will be recording with an acoustic guitar, so you can use the recording function, set up a tempo, set up metronome, however you prefer to record, and after it is done and you go into the timeline, it will be available here. If you tap on your recording, you will be able to find the output settings, so you can change the volume, you can use the equalizer, and optionally, you can even consider using an external microphone. So to keep it simple, minimize background noise, record in a good format, and do some sort of post-processing using an audio editing app or even GarageBand itself. I hope I was able to help you on how to record acoustic guitar with phone. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.